There's a doubt. How about a warm welcome for Zack Blum from Fleetsmith?
Thanks, everybody. I'm from LA, so it's good to be back home. And I'm Zack, co-founder and CEO of Fleetsmith. Before Fleetsmith, I spent my entire career in IT at UC Davis and then at Wikia. So this is going to be a super quick 5-minute walkthrough. And instead of talking too much, I'm just going to mostly show you the product. So Fleetsmith, what is it? It's device management that just works. We automate 4 things: device setup, inventory, updates, and security. It's built on MDM, plus a lot of automation on top of that. And we focus on product experience and world-class security. So we are secure by design. It's SaaS native, hosted in Google Cloud, and we run on massively scalable Google technologies, so no fleet's too big. Today, in this demo, we're going to look at managing what it would look like to manage a fleet of 1,000 Macs securely over the internet, together in real time. And before I get into that, just want to let everybody know that we do have a partner program. So if you're with a consultancy or an MSP, come chat with us at the booth in the other room. I want to get to the product. So we're going to start at the first login experience. Setup takes just a few minutes, and then you're ready to start managing and securing your fleet like a boss. So when you first sign in, you hit get started, and it takes a few minutes. You set up MDM, you can enroll your Mac in Fleetsmith, add an app you want to deploy, enroll more devices, activate users, approve and assign devices, and set up DEP. All this usually takes 20-30 minutes to get started. I think the coolest thing about our product is the 90+ apps and settings that are ready to deploy out of the box. There's also printers with full drivers, things like Wi-Fi. I could go on. No packaging, no scripting required to initially deploy it and then keep it up to date forever. So here's our apps and settings section. This comes pre-populated out of the box. There's literally no work. This is what you see when you first sign in. And there's all kinds of stuff here, the most used things that our customers have asked us for. So to get started, let's pick one of these and look at what it looks like to actually deploy it. How about Catalina? Well, we'll see how you can do it later if you want. But it's about 4 clicks, so just walk you through it. So you come in and search for Catalina. Click it. That's 1 click. Then you click to add to the profile. That's like a group. And we're going to do global so everybody gets it. Of course, you've done this to a canary group before. Fair enough, I hear you. And then optionally, there's another click. You can enforce it. So you can pick, let's say, like next Friday. What's cool is we have an optional enforcement here, and we even do local device time. So you get like a rolling 24-hour update. You don't have to calculate time zones if you have distributed teams. Pretty easy. So that entire process was a live demo of deploying Catalina to 1,000 devices. There's literally no other work you have to do. And one cool thing is we did all the regression testing, all the stuff before internally, so you don't have to do that. And then when your employees get it, we have a really nice menu bar app that says, hey, your admin wants to roll out Catalina. Go ahead and do that on your own in your free time. Otherwise, it'll get updated at the deadline they chose. And we put those up a little more frequently as it gets closer to the deadline. But again, no scripting or any other work from you. It's just included with Fleetsmith out of the box. So let's look at Google Chrome. This is a little different from Catalina. Catalina, you just deploy. But Chrome, you get some client-side config without any work. No custom config files, no scripting. So come in here, and you can enforce the latest version, but you can also do cool stuff, like 1-click push out browser extensions, like 1Password, or Chrome Remote Desktop, or Zoom Scheduler. There's a lot more here, but one of the things I want to call out is that when Spectre Meltdown came out, within 24 hours, we popped up an ability to mitigate that through strict site isolation for our customers right in here, and all you had to do is go check a box, and it pushed it out. You were safe in Chrome. So File Vault 2, same deal. Come in, add it to global, optionally enforce it, and what's cool is you get key escrow for free. So come in here, this is what a device, this is actually my laptop, and I'll just go through real quick. You can see the keys right there, you just click it and show it. It's that simple. There's no extra work. This is live, real time. That's what it looks like. And finally, some advanced apps. So I'm not going to go into each one of these, but in our apps and settings page, you can actually filter by security and DevOps. You can also filter by printers or operating systems, but just some cool ones to call out in here. Custom scripts. Google Santa, if you want to blacklist certain apps from being opened, you can say, hey, you can't actually install Catalina in advance. FileBeat for real-time log aggregation, and then a lot of the standard ones as well. But then OS Query, more advanced. So a couple of our customers who really love it. We're customer obsessed every step. So product, not a tool. It just does it for you, because that's what a product should do. It's really intuitive. No tech experience required. I could go on, but really easy. It just works. That's the message here. Buying Fleetsmith is a business decision to supercharge your company. And thank you. Please come to the booth, learn a little more, and we have some really cool swag over there. So we'd love to give it out. We can't take it home. Thanks a lot, everybody. Appreciate it.